Welcome to Code as Teach, your topics, our views. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. Let's continue the sorting algorithm. Till now we have covered bubble sort and selection sort. Today let's discuss the insertion sort. So insertion sort is also a way of sorting the collection. It works on a small number of items or collection of a product list or any other list. It works correctly on a small number of items because it takes time, and it works based upon the if you have played the card, the way we arrange the card. If we get the card and then we have to arrange it according to their numbers. So by changing the index or by changing the position of the card, we generally arrange the card. Same way insertion sort works. Let's try to understand it how it works. Let's take an example. Okay, let's take a list. List having a few numbers like something like 3, 7, 5, 6, 9. Okay, we have taken the 5 number. Let's try to understand how it works. Okay, so it's for by default it takes 3 as a number, first number. It compares 7 with 3. Okay, here 3 is less than 7, right? So it will keep as it is. There is no change will be done. So by default the list will be the same, like 7, 5, 6 and 9, right? Because 3 is the first number, it's a key which is compared with 7. Okay. Now in the second step, now the 7 will be compared with 5. Now 5 is compared with 7 and 3. First it will compare with the 7 because 5 is less than 7, so it will move 5 left. So now it becomes 3, 5, 7, 6 and then 9. Okay, now 5 is also compared with 3. Okay, so here you can say that the 5 is compared with 3, but 3 is less than 5, so it will skip it. It will not do any changes. Okay. Now it's come to the 6. 6 is less than 7. Yes. So it will again move to 6 will be moved to the left and 7 will be moved to the right. Okay. And then 6 will be compared with the 3 and 5 also. Because the 3 and 5 is already less than 6, so it will not do any changes. So now it will become something like 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9. Now it comes for the 9. 9 will be compared with the 6, 7, 6, 5 and 3. First it will compare with the 7. It says that 7 is less than 9. So it will not do anything and the list will be sorted as this one, right? So it will change the position or the index of the key elements by comparing with the other elements. Let's try to understand how it works. So let's define a method like insertion sort. Take a parameter of list. Okay, for we have to iterate it for index in range. Okay, we take from 1 to. Okay, why we are taking from 1? If you see here, we have seen just. We start comparing with the 7. 7 is compared with the 3. So this one becomes the key element and we start comparing with the 7. Okay, we are not comparing with the 3. Okay, so that's what it's starting with 1. 1 till length of the list, right? Simple. Okay, so we have take 2 positions, then the current value. Let's take the current value. Okay, and the current value will be list of the index. We will get 7 here and then current position. The current position should be index minus 1 because index is starting from 1, right? Now let's try to add the condition. Current position is greater than 0 and you can say the current value is less than what? List of the current position, right? Okay. If both condition met, it means that we have to swap the elements, right? So current, so list current position plus 1 now is equal to list. We have to swap the element if it is the condition is current, and we have to also change the index, right? So current position will be current position plus 1. No, it's minus 1, right? Because its index will move to the previous one. Okay, and then we have to change the list value. Current position plus 1 equal to current value. That's simple. Okay, let's take the same list which we have discussed here. So if you take the list here, let's print the unsorted list. Simple. Now call the method insertion sort, pass the list, and then print again sorted list. Now call the list. Simple. Let's run this and see the result, whether it's working or not. But it will work because the logic is we have implemented as we discussed. It's taking time. Okay, it's opening. In between, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. If you have any query or any comment, you can put it inside a comment. I will try to answer it. Or if you want to focus on any particular sorting algorithm, please let me know. It's taking time. I don't know why. Let's wait. Okay, you can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You subscribe it on a Facebook page. This, I don't know why it's not running. Okay, some problem should be there. Okay, this is mostly about the insertion sort in a Python. Thank you.